Hello everyone, thank you for watching our presentation. We are excited to present our ideas to improve the adoption and performance of PDAM Surya Sembada CIS app. This app is essential for streamlining service, but with only 9.22 of customers active. There's a lot of room for improvement. We'll share an analysis of the challenge and propose solution to make the app more effective. We are fast with team, and let me introduce our member. Me, Ridho Awang Mukti as the hustler, Aulia Vigo Haryadi as the hipster, Ahmad Toriku Rizky as the hacker. Let's get started. Here's the table of content. First is background, second is objective, third is SWOT analysis, fourth is proposed marketing strategies, and five technological enhancement, six new features, seven implementation online, eight expect outcomes, and nine is conclusion. PDAM Surya Sembada has served Surabaya since 1890. In 2016, they launched the CIS app to simplify service like matter recording, bill payment, and complaints. However, the app adoption remains low, with only 9.22% of 620,000 customers actively using it. The main challenges are limited user awareness, technical issues, and difficulties in usability. Our objective is to solve the challenge faced by the CIS app. To do this, we aim to achieve three key goals. 1. Increase user adoption rules. 2. Enhance the app stability and make it easier to use. 3. Align with PDAM long-term vision of providing excellent customer service. Let's take a look at the current situation of the CIS app. Strength. The app has been increasing download thanks to informational activities and customer-focused improvement. Weakness. Many customers are still unaware of the app. There are usability issues and it lacks live chat support. Opportunities. Expanding marketing through social media and introducing features like a wallet payment could attract more users. Threats. The app faces competition from third-party platforms and ongoing technical issues that may discourage users.
Hello, my name is Aulia Vigo Haryadi. I am as a hipster. I will explanation proposed marketing strategy. To increase awareness and adoption of the GIS app, we propose three strategies. First, we aim to enhance our social media presence by consistently post 1 until 3 times per week. This approach ensures that our audience remains engaged and informed without feeling overwhelmed. Next, we plan to conduct interactive demos in high traffic areas such as shopping malls. This hands-on experience will help potential users understand the app's value and encourage immediate download. Finally, we will introduce by monthly incentive programs, include reward and gift, to keep users motivated and actively engaged. Together, this strategy will not only drive download but also foster customer loyalty and strengthen our brand's reputation. Next, technological enhancement. To deliver a better user experience, we propose critical technical improvement for the GIS app. Our first step is optimizing the backend system to minimize registration error and ensure smoother app performance. Addressing technical issues will significantly reduce user frustration and improve overall satisfaction. Next, we will debug and enhance the matter logging feature by improving accuracy and reducing user error. We can build greater trust in the app. Lastly, we will simplify the user interface by removing unnecessary elements and adding intuitive visual guides. This change will make the app accessible for users of all backgrounds, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable experience. Next, new features. To make the app more appealing and user-friendly, we propose introducing three new features. The first is automated bill notification. which will remind users of upcoming payment and help them avoid late fees. The second is real-time complaint tracking, giving users the ability to monitor the status of their concern and fostering transparency. Lastly, we recommend integrating payment options such as e-wallet and QRIS. This will provide users with flexible, modern, and convenient ways to complete transactions. This new feature will not only improve usability but also align the apps with current digital trends, ensuring it meets the needs of today's savvy audience.
Okay, my name is Ahmad Wari Rizky. I am a hacker. I will explain an implementation plan until conclusion. In the implementation plan, here's the timeline for our implementation plan. We have three phases. In the phase 1, backend optimization and debugging. In the backend optimization and debugging, we plan for 1 until 2 months to ensure system stability. In the phase 2, we have a marketing campaign launch over 2 until 3 months to build awareness and attract users. And in the last part is part 3, we adding and evaluating new features over 4 until 6 months to enhance functionality and measure impact. By progressing through this phase, we ensure a structured and effective resolution to the app challenge. Okay, in expected outcomes, we implementing the proposed strategies will deliver significant results. First is higher user adoption and satisfaction, driven by a stable, very and user-friendly experience. The second is streamlined operation, as a manual process and reduction. And the third is a stronger customer loyalty and cost efficiency. And the third is positioning the app as the primary service channel. In expected outcome, the outcome will solidify the app's roles in delivering value to user and the organization. Okay, the last one is conclusion. In the conclusion, this app face adoption challenge stemming from limited awareness and technical issues. However, through targeted marketing, technical upgrades, and new feature integration, the app can evolve into an essential customer service platform. This transformation aligns with PDAM's vision of providing top-notch water service to the Surabaya community. Okay, that's all for our presentation. We are from Fastbit team. Thank you for watching.